Oh yes. Hi guys, we're home now. So we did that plane. We haven't tried the other two. So I might just cut out the other two sets of wings and we'll give it a little try across my garden. It's a bit grey out there today. Yesterday when we were flying the main, or the first version, it was nice and sunny. Anyway, I will cut out the other wings and we'll try it out. So what we have here is the official design number 1. So it's wing pattern number 1, tail pattern number 1, and the larger fuselage and propeller. Just across the garden, see what happens. You might notice we've got the washing out on the line. Oh, right. Well, I must say I'm not surprised. Big propeller, small wingspan, a lot of torque there, so it just made the whole thing spin. So that design is hopeless. I suppose I could rebuild that onto the short fuselage, so it's got the small propeller, so we don't get the same amount of torque. Right, small propeller, so we should have less torque. Right, try again. Well, that wasn't very convincing, was it? Giving it a bit of down elevator. But I suspect we probably need nose weight. Right, significant amount of nose weight on there. Okay, so nose weight, slight bit of down elevator. Okay, a little bit of a twist in it. Whoa, we made it across the garden. Still tending to stall a bit. A bit more down. fair amount of down elevator, lots of nose weight. Even more nose weight. Oh yes. So we are now getting across the garden. But I've had to curl up the wingtips. Down elevator and lots of nose weight. Well, I hope the camera got that. So, we managed to get a successful flight across my garden with wing number 1, tail number 1, short fuselage, lots of nose weight and small propeller.